Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious truffle pasta. So if you're interested in seeing how I make my version, keep on watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell. Please help spread the love for my channel by giving this video a like. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and start off with the sauce. I am using the olive oil in this can. Next I'm adding the butter. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to add my mushrooms. I'm going to go ahead and saute these mushrooms. Add some salt to your mushrooms, and this will soften our mushrooms quickly. And a little bit of pepper. Next, let's add the garlic. All right. You guys, it smells amazing. I wish you could really smell this right now. Once your mushrooms are nice and cooked and the garlic is fragrant, we want to go ahead and add the cream. Once you start to see bubbles form, you want to turn your heat down to low. We don't want the milk to curdle. And then we can add the cheese. I'm using freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And mix. Add some pepper and salt to taste. Remember, you don't want to add a lot of salt because we added Parmesan cheese. As soon as your sauce is done cooking, you want to go ahead and lightly drizzle some truffle oil. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to overpower the sauce. Give that a nice stir. Make sure your heat is off because the truffle oil will lose its essence. Go ahead and sprinkle your truffles. Boil some water and add salt to your water. We're going to drop our pasta in, and we're only going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. As soon as your pasta is done cooking, we're going to add it to the sauce. I want to go ahead and mix the pasta so it's coated with that delicious sauce. Then don't forget, we want to garnish this with some chives. Doesn't that look delicious? Now it's time to taste this. The sauce is amazing, you guys. It's nice and creamy, and then you get the essence of truffle while eating actual pieces of truffle and mushrooms. You guys, this is so good. Please don't forget to give this video a like. It will help me distribute this video throughout YouTube. And if you haven't, please subscribe and click on the bell so you're notified when I make a new video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! One more bite, you guys. It's so good. It's so good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.